guys, my name is Zoya Siddiq. My channel name is Zoya Siddiq Vlog. How are you and how's your flight going on? Okay friends, today I'm going to try Esra Bilgic inspired makeup look. You know her very well, she is a Turkish model and actor. Now I'm starting my makeup and please stay with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video with your family and friends. So let's go and start my makeup and stay with me through till the end. Let's go with me. Okay, I already done my eyebrows and prep and prime my face. Today I choose MAC foundation. My shade number is NC20 and highlighter is TYA from TYA number 3. Okay ji, first I will apply my foundation with brush and then I'm using beauty blender. Then for concealer I am using Usha's corrector palette. So guys, I hope you like my video and enjoying my video. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and please share my video with your family and friends. Till then, take care, stay safe and stay home. Bye bye. Love you.